Hi guys, back in the woods again with the group, and just cooking up some dinner, and brought out a new tool to have a go at for making toasties, and it's this Crimpit. If you've seen these before, I've not heard a lot about them, and then something just popped up on my Facebook feed from one of the groups, people sharing them, and I love toasties. Love having toasties in the while I'm camping. I normally bring my pie iron, which is cast iron end, to where you put all your toasty stuff in the end and then just shove it in the fire. But it weighs a ton. It's brilliant, but it's hefty. So I'm gonna try out these. Basically, it's just like it's like a Tupperware box, and you've got the lid that when it's pressed into the box, when you've got your sandwich and fill it in, it crimps down the edges, makes it a nice seal, because you can't have a toasty without a nice crimped edge. Toasty makers, pie irons all the way. So we're going to see how good it is, because it's definitely a lighter version than bringing the pie iron out each time. The only thing, I suppose, maybe a drawback, maybe not, is you have to use the bread thins, which I'll show you in a second. I'm sure you've seen them before. So you can't use your typical bread slices. So it's one or the other, but happy to try it out, see how good they are. So you crimp it and then you pan fry it. So let's have a go. So these are the two different sections. You've got the base, some instructions there, marshmallows, sweet version, there we go, and then you've got the lid. So your bottom bit of bread goes in there, then you put your fillings in and then put that on top, push it together, and it'll crimp the edges, ready for putting in the pan. So let's go and see how it works. Okay, so a couple of goes with the Crimpit, and put it on the pan. Cooked quite quickly. The cheese melted inside. Was worried about that. So all in all, I'm impressed. They tasted lovely. Obviously, yeah, it's not gonna be exactly the same as using the pie iron, toaster maker, whatever. But for a lightweight alternative that is easy to use, easy to cook, they're fantastic. I mean, the only thing I've yet to discover is an easy way to get them out of the actual base of it without having to. Oh, if you just get the corner. Yeah, I might have overfilled this one. I've got a bit too. There we go. But yeah, very cool. Crimps it into a parcel so that there's no gaps. I mean, I've just made a gap because I've had to peel it out. So yeah, positives: lightweight toasties whenever you want. Slight negatives: that you have to use this type of bread. I mean, I've not tried it with other types of bread, but on the packaging it says you have to use this type, so it must be the makeup of the bread. And yeah, sometimes getting it out of the base can be a bit tricky, but yeah, cracking bit. So that is the Crimpit toasty makers. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Right, see you soon.